Come on, Josh. No one said hot dog.
No one.
Well, let me tell you about a hot dog.
Oh, please no.
Alright, so hot dog is this traditional special sandwich that goes like that. Sliced with the hot dogs that you've never seen before. Spiced with ketchup and lots of good mayo, pickles, and also mustard, and on a cherry on top. What? You see what I'm getting at? Because that's what the hot dog really is. You're gonna emphasize it to the s. And now, I will teach you guys how to smart. How to be smart. How you smart. How she smart. And how's he smart. Wait, you of all people? A potato is on the wall.
What?
A potato is on the wall. Look over there. Right there. Right here. Right there. Don't you see it? Don't you see the potato? Hey, Habibi. Hey, you're scrambling, okay? You're scrambling here.
Josh is at it again. He's pretty much at it again. Just being his old weird.
I will tell you guys the definition of milk.
Josh, can you please stop? Can you please stop with this? Honestly, can you just stop?
Milk is an exciting feature. But right here, this cold milk. But the milk used to be warm, but extremely mammal cows that produce this wonderful milk for us as human beings. So, to demonstrate this, you're welcome. Alright guys, now take this in. I have a banana in Narnia.
No.
Think about it.
No.
Just think about it.
No.
Think what is subtle coincidence. Josh, what is it now? Do you want to play?
No. Josh? Why did he stop? Is he a robot or something?
Josh, what's going on?
Hey, Josh? Okay, then.
Jenga!
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Still amazing. But you still amazing.